How you doing, ma'am? Good. You work from home? Oh, that's neat. I kind of work from home. I start at home every day and wind up all over the place and then end up at home.
Yeah, I am praying that it's not the alternator.
Well, I can test everything for you and
Oh,
let
you
you know.
can?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
great.
Yeah, battery's dead, but let's see how dead.
Are you very dead? I put this battery in myself like, what, 4 years ago?
Oh, did you?
Uh-huh.
Well, congratulations. First of all, good install. You did everything right.
Uh-huh.
Um,
Except
uh,
for that nail. It's a nail right there. I was trying to, like,
what did you do that for?
because it was,
We-
it wasn't holding in, so
oh, see, that's why you're supposed to call people
I
like
know,
us.
huh?
No big deal. That's all right.
It worked for years.
Yeah, right. The problem is it's only got like less than 25% life.
Mm-hmm.
So that means that like your iPhone, you got an iPhone?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you know when you get a new iPhone, you're all happy it stays charged all day.
Mm-hmm.
And then after a year or so, then all of a sudden it's like you got to charge it halfway through the day, and then eventually you're like, "Man, I got to get a new phone because I got to keep this on the charger all day."
Yeah.
Well, it's the same with a car battery, except for when you start up your iPhone and you turn it on, it doesn't require a whole bunch of power all at once like your car battery does. Your car battery, when it's got less than 25% life, like your iPhone might, it's still got to push out 500, 600 cold cranking amps to turn the motor over. So it might have enough power to like turn the stereo on, maybe turn the lights on or whatever, but it just doesn't have enough energy, enough capacity left to be able to start the car.
Okay. Yeah, I'll just get a battery for y'all.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. You
All
take
right.
these?
Not necessarily as long as the hood's open.
Okay.
But I can hold on to them if you'd like to. I'll just start it afterwards, or I'd really rather you come down and start it after.
Okay, cool.
Okay?
Yeah, that'll be better.
All right. All right, I'll see you in a few minutes then. I left the old one out here so you can see it, so you know I replaced it, and I didn't have to put the screw back in.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
I'm so excited. I could have sleeves and let me on. Battery's pretty.
It is, right?
Yes.
Is there anything else I can do for you
No,
today?
thank you so much.
All
I
right.
appreciate
Oh, you're
you.
welcome. You have a
Thank
blessed day,
You
okay?
too, thank you.
All right.